I call them boogie sticks because they look like you've picked your nose quite a few times.
Stuart says, what are those sticky sticks you use to pick up gemstones? Forgotten the name, and can you buy them or can you make your own?
So yes, I call them boogie sticks because they look like you've picked your nose quite a few times, got a nice little mound, and they're quite called boogie sticks.
It's disgusting.
It is disgusting. You can buy them. We sell them.
Do you call them that, or is the other people in the trade call them that?
I think it's not a known what's it.
Is that a common thing or an anti-berry thing?
I don't know, but I've got a boogie stick here. This is something you can. Oh, sugar me. Okay, so we sell them in the store. They're called pickup tools. We sell them blue one, and it's medium. It's only a few pounds. Nice and simple. The end is tacky. It'll pick up the stones. Or you can make your own. If you've got those little baby bells with the red wax outers, the red wax is a little bit too sticky. What you can do is get then some charcoal. If you've got a charcoal block or got some charcoal sticks, scrape off some of the dust and you can mix that up then with the wax. Alternatively, you can get some beeswax. Beeswax in here, yes. You can get some beeswax, as we've got here. This is a strip of beeswax. You can buy it most places. And you can get that beeswax, mold it in your fingers, mix it up with a little bit of charcoal dust again, and you can make up something like that, which I call a little boogie stick. It's not a bit of plastic. Just mold the ends, make it a little bit soft, and now you can use that then to pick up stones. I happen to have a bag of stones by here. So yeah, you can come along and you can get your stone and you can pick it up just like that. Okay, so yes, make your own, or we do sell them in the store.